Now, next is that the Indian peninsula divides the southwest monsoon winds into two branches, that is the Arabian Sea branch and the Bay of Bengal branch. The Arabian Sea branch causes extensive rainfall in the western and the central states, and Bay of Bengal branch bring rainfall to the eastern coastal areas and the northeastern states. It gets deflected up the Ganga Valley bringing rain. India receive 60% of its total rainfall from the southwest monsoon winds. Now, what you have to understand is here this picture. This picture is important. This picture you have to understand that sorry, that in India during the month of June, here low pressure area is created. Why low pressure area is created? Because प्रेशर किससे बन रहा है? विंड से, और विंड यहाँ पे क्या होती है? कम होती है. क्यों होती है कम? बिकॉज विंड गेट्स हीटेड अप. ये एरिया कैसा हो जाता है? इट्स गेट हीटेड अप. जो लैंड एरिया है, जो इंडिया का लैंड पार्ट है, इट्स गेट हीटेड अप. ड्यू टू दैट जो भी विंड होगी वो क्या करेगी? वो लाइटर होगी. बिकॉज इट इज़ विदाउट मॉइस्चर. इसमें मॉइस्चर नहीं होगा तो इट विल राइज अप. वो ऊपर चली जाएगी. हॉट एयर इज लाइटर सो इट विल मूव अप. इट कीप्स ऑन मूविंग अप. सो लो प्रेशर एरिया will create here. While in Australia, high pressure area is created. So wind from high pressure area will move to the low pressure area. So wind will start moving and they will reach here near the, and while moving they pick up the moisture. जब वो move कर रही हैं तो उसके साथ साथ कहाँ से move कर रही हैं? Because it is a summer season, तो they will pick up the moisture from the sea. मॉइस्चर आ जाएगा उसमें. दीज मॉइस्चर लेडन विंड्स जब ये इंडिया पर आएंगी, what they are going to do? They will bring rainfall here. Therefore, the monsoon season will begin. So that you might have heard in the TV news कि इस साल मानसून देर से आया, इस साल जल्दी आएगा. So these type of things occur due to this. Then next season, that is the monsoon receding, that is the retreating monsoon season. By September अब क्या हो रहा है? By September the winds they reverse their direction. They started blowing southward. जो अब यहाँ पर because September में क्या होगा? The land is not heated much. Okay, it is ocean water is heated more than the land. So यहाँ पर high pressure area create हो जाएगा. And over here low pressure area will be created, and due to that फिर क्या होगा कि wind will reverse their direction and from land to sea. This is because the air above the sea is warmer now. This type of wind is known as retreating. Retreating means they are coming back. Monsoon winds, they pick up moisture as they pass along Bay of Bengal. जैसे ही ये Bay of Bengal से पास होंगी तो they will pick up moisture and bring rainfall to the eastern coast. तो अब क्या होगा यहाँ पर? ये जो आपका ईस्टर्न कोस्ट है, यहाँ पर यहाँ से विंड आ रही है, यहाँ पे बे ऑफ बंगाल से पिकअप कर रही है मॉइस्चर, एंड देन यहाँ पर ईस्टर्न कोस्टल प्लेन पर इट विल ब्रिंग रेनफॉल while moving back. Humidity is high after the monsoon rains and the weather is uncomfortable. This is sometimes referred to as October heat. In October and November, there is a gap between the rainy season and the winter. It is during this season that cyclone form over the Bay of Bengal. तो इस टाइम पर Bay of Bengal में cyclones normally form. A cyclone is a huge storm which originates at sea in the tropical zone. Cyclonic conditions over the Mediterranean Sea is used to winds which travel eastward over West Asia and northwestern part of India. These temperate cyclones cause rain and snow in Jammu and Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, Rajasthan, Punjab, Haryana, West Uttar Pradesh and Uttarakhand. These rains are very beneficial to the rabi crops. Now rabi crops like wheat, these rains are good for because wheat is grown at that time in the month of November, so it is good for rabi crop. Now children, read the pages 156, 157 and 158, climate part only, and then we continue in the next class.